Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Lynn. Simple recipes, easy to make. I love avocado, period. And I also love avocado cucumber sushi rolls. Today I'm going to make avocado, cucumber, and soybean salad. It's so simple and so refreshing. Let me show you the ingredients. I have 1 bag of soybeans. You can find normally in the freezer section at your grocery store. I'm going to use half of it, and I have a half cucumber diced. Of course, I have 1 avocado, and it was getting soft, so I put it in the freezer 2 days ago, and I took out yesterday, put it in the fridge. So wish me good luck to open this. I hope it's still good. It is green. It's a little brown, but not bad. We can use it. So I'm going to use half of the avocado. Cut like that. And scoop out. That should be enough. Although, you know, avocado very healthy. So a lot of vitamins and omega fatty acids. Also very high in calories. So next we're going to boil the soybeans. My water is boiling. Let's add the soybeans. About a half. I don't need to defrost it. And we're going to cook about 4 to 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, we're going to take out the soybeans and into ice water. Next, we're going to make the dressing. For the dressing, we add a little bit of salt, soy sauce, 1 tablespoon, and rice vinegar, sesame oil, if you don't have sesame oil, you can use olive oil, and a little bit of water. Mix well. Just taste. A bit more water. Next, I'm going to assemble a salad. I already drained the soybeans. We add the cucumber. We add the avocado last and mix with dressing. Okay, let me taste it. Just a little bit more rice vinegar. Now add our avocado, and we're going to garnish with toasted sesame seeds. or you can also use chopped peanuts. So our salad is ready. I'm ready to try the salad. Cucumber, beans, soybeans, crunchy. Avocado, it's great. Don't you think like avocado can be substitute of eggs? So simple, right? Isn't it? Are you guys still learning Chinese words? So soybeans in Chinese, 青豆, 青 which means green color, 豆 which means bean, 青豆. And please try to make this at home. Very healthy salad. Go very well with your dinner, with your barbecue. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.